Hello friends, welcome again today. Sam, are you happy to be here today?
Yeah.
Alright, so today we are going to make a colorful art with Play-Doh. Alright, so here we have some thread.
Can I have some thread?
Yeah, this is for you. Just wait, we are going to apply a glue to it. This one is for me. What we're going to do, we're going to apply a glue.
I wanna put my glue.
Yeah, you put by yourself. So we want to just
Why do
glue
we
this.
glue?
We want to glue this to the surface.
Is it because we want to glue
Yes.
the Play-Doh?
Yes, we want it to be glued here. Awesome. So you can also apply yours. Just apply at any point there. Yes, yeah, make enough of it. Put enough.
Enough.
Yeah, do you have enough? Okay, it's okay.
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 Be careful to not stick your hand.
Yeah, you can stick your hand, but it's okay.
My hand's already stuck. Okay.
Just a little bit more. It's okay.
Oh, God, on my hand.
Yeah, just be careful. Don't drag it along. Just stick it. And then allow it a bit. Allow it a bit to get stuck. That's fine.
And it's here on my hands.
It's okay. Yeah, the gums can be sticky. That's why it's a gum. So we allow it a bit to get dry, but we can also stick this to it. You have this.
I want to stick it.
Yeah, you can stick it here. Stick it at this point. So you stick yours at that point. Awesome. Then just allow it to dry. Allow it to dry. It's okay.
Yucky, sticky glue.
It's a glue. Glue has to be sticky.
And it's always sticky on my hand.
Alright friends, okay. So this is fine now. It is sticking. Okay. So we are going to make a balloon with the Play-Doh. Summer, can you get a Play-Doh?
I got Play-Doh.
Yeah, got a Play-Doh, just one. And then roll it. This is a
smashed
yellow
it.
color.
I smashed it.
You're smashing it. So this is one.
It's too big.
If it's too big, you can reduce it. So this is one.
Oh, I have to spin it.
This is one balloon.
I spin mine a lot. Why is not done?
Okay, and you can always spread out the.
I'm gonna keep all my. Oh no! I smashed my ball.
And you can use different colors.
I want to keep all of them.
Once you get one, you put it. When you make a ball, you put it so that you can make another one. Don't keep it. Just spread it out. Spread out your balloon. Your balloon should spread out. I mean, your rope. This your rope. Spread them out. Yeah, spread them out so that your balloon can rise. Just take them one at a time. This one. Push this one here, and then you apply your balloon there. Good, awesome. Then you take another rope and you stretch it again. So that's how you go.
Can I use some of your colors too?
Yes, you can take any color.
We can see the colors.
Yes, anyone you want, any color. If you want yellow, you take yellow. Any color. So you stick it. Blue? It's okay. Take blue. And I need the purple.
Okay, I'm gonna take purple. I'm gonna take
Any one you
yellow.
want. The colors are here.
I'm gonna take yellow. after I do blue.
Okay.
The blue is sticking to the red.
Yeah, this is awesome.
You want the purple?
Yes, you can also you can have more than one colors. You can have balloons. You can have two balloons.
Go. You can have some of
You can
my
have
colors.
many balloons with the same color. It's okay.
Yeah, you can have many balloons with the same color.
Yeah.
And you can put like 100,000 colors.
So funny.
This one's the good one.
Alright.
This one go here. This one go here.
Are you spreading out the ropes?
Yeah.
Good. So here you have this other rope.
Orange. I did orange, but I need more orange.
Okay, that's fine.
Don't spread out all the colors.
Yeah, these are your color, your rope for each one.
I'm just going to do my bigger. Oh, that's very
Okay. Sam, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Wow, do you like making
This
balloons?
looks like a basketball.
Basketball. So very funny. Basketball.
Basketball hopper.
Yeah.
I did not do green.
Yeah, you can do any color you want. It's
did
a balloon color. However you want your balloon, and you can make it different size. Your balloon is so flat. Why are you making it flat? Your balloon should be big.
But I want
It should be full of air inside, but yours is getting flat all the time. See that this one is so big. It's not flat. Don't have to press it. Don't press it.
But how can it be sticky?
It will stick. See that this one is sticking. You don't have to press it. Just keep the rope.
I can't spread it.
It's okay. It's already spread.
Oh, can you?
Don't stick it. Don't. I mean, you can still stick it, but make it to be round. Don't make it flat.
I want
it flat? If it's flat, your balloon.
I want all your colors.
You can have more. I'm almost done. Okay.
You're dying.
Yeah. See, my balloon is flying. So complete yours. Which one is remaining? Just one. You're almost done.
Nest.
Yours is almost done. Wow, that's fine. So which color is this?
Purple.
Purple, awesome. And this one?
Red.
This
blue,
one?
Orange.
This one?
Green.
This one?
Orange.
This one?
Red.
This one?
Yellow.
Awesome. And that is on this one is what?
Blue. And this one's yellow.
This one?
And this one's purple. And this one's green. And this one's red. And this one's green. And this one's yellow.
Awesome. That's fine. High five. Wow, friends, we've come to the end of this craft. We use this for summer to learn the colors, to make a balloon, and also to learn her colors. Please do subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Summer, what do you say to your friends?
Bye bye.
Bye bye, and please see you in our next video.